Sunday. He was very fast this morning in warm-up. He's now up into third. He's made up 7 places. Can't wait to see the start replay, to see the launch that Rins got, because he judged it to absolute perfection. Absolutely incredible run. Took the first corner. He was in 4th place from 10th in sector 1. Now, Maverick Vinales is going to be asking questions here. So Fabio Quartararo is taking competition and it's Paco Bagnaia out of the race. It's been a horrible weekend. But number 63, unmitigated disaster. He said yesterday, speed is close on sentiment for a future factor in the Ducati rider. That just went down. Paco's misery on the dirt very early on while he was trying to fight with Miguel Oliveira for 16th place. It's a very... You see the frustration written all over the face of Paco Bagnaia. It's turn 5, isn't it, that's caught him out.